Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. In this video, we will be learning the daily MCQs of that year's current affairs. This will be very helpful to boost your film score. First question. Consider the following statements regarding the National Multidimensional Poverty Index. This is taken from the today's newspaper, and the Multidimensional Poverty Index is used in the Human Development Report by United Nations Development Program and Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. The global MPI is released by the UNDP and Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. And at the national level, Niti Aayog releases the National MPI of India. The health, education, standard of living. These are the three dimensions used by Niti Aayog, and the indicators are nutrition, child and adolescent mortality, antenatal care, years of schooling, school attendance, cooking fuel, sanitation, drinking water, electricity, housing, assets, bank account. All these are the indicators that are used by the Niti Aayog in the national MPI. The unique feature of this national MPI is it also enables the analysis of comparative and relative performance among the districts of a state too. Along with the states and UTs, it also analysis of comparative and relative performance among the districts of a state. Okay. With regard to the question, the nodal agency for MPI in India is Niti Aayog. This statement is true. The MPI India headcount ratio and intensity is furnished only for the states and union territories. This statement is false. Not only for union territories and states, it also for districts. Not having bank account is an indicator of poverty as per the national MPI. This statement is true. And the answer is C, as only 1 and 3 are correct, and the answer is C. Second question. The New Development Bank is related to which of the following organizations? As we already discussed that if any international organization, okay, if it comes in the news, then you should make a note of that organization and its establishment date, its members. Okay. With regard to the BRICS, it is an acronym of these 5 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. In the year 2001, the British economist named Jim O'Neill coined the term that BRIC. He has described the 4 emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, and China as BRIC. Okay. And in the year 2006, these 4 countries had held the first meeting of BRIC. Okay. In the year 2010, they invited the South Africa, and from that time it has become BRICS. And during the 6th BRICS summit, the leaders of these countries signed the agreement to establish New Development Bank, and also they agreed to set up the BRICS Contingent Reserve Arrangement. Okay, under this, they provided the short-term liquidity support to its members itself. And recently, during the BRICS summit, India proposed that the NDBs should also use it to strengthen the social infrastructure among the members of that country. Social infrastructure means social services like healthcare, education, and housing. Okay. And the New Development Bank is related to the BRICS. Okay, this statement is true. Only 3 is true. And the answer is D. Only 3. Okay. Third question. Which of the following are part of the Buddhist circuit? This is taken from the today's newspaper. And Buddhist circuit. This is a project that is announced by the central government in the year 2016. Okay. The Buddhist circuit means it is a route of the Buddhist pilgrimage centers like Shravasti, Kushinagar, Samath, Bodh Gaya, Rajgir, Vaishali, Lumbini, Kapilavastu. It covers all these major pilgrimage centers of the Buddhist religion. Okay. Though India is home to 7 Buddhist sites out of 8, India attracts only 1% of the Buddhist pilgrims across the world. And with the enabling of Buddhist circuit, India is expecting rise in the Buddhist pilgrimage to India. Okay. And if you come to the question, which of the following are part of the Buddhist circuit? Kapilavastu, Shravasti, Sarnath, Kesari, and Mohania. Kapilavastu, this statement is true. Sravasti, true. Sarnath, it is true. But Kesariya and Mohania is not part of the Buddhist circuit. You can see here there are no names with regard to the Kesariya and Mohania. Okay, and the answer is 1, 2, and 3. A is the answer. Okay. Fourth question. Consider the following statements regarding the Namda craft. Namda craft. India has many crafts and many styles, but we need not to remember all these. If anything significant has happened in the news or if anything is going in the government, then we should make a note of that. For example, to revive and catalyze the traditional Namda craft, Government of India is launching a pilot project. Okay, so we have to make a note of this. And Namda traditional art, it is made from the wool by the practice of felting the wool, but not the weaving. Felting means they will arrange the wool with the layers and then they flatten it. You can see here he is arranging the wool in the layers, and after that he will sprinkle some water or something and he will press with a tool named Pinjra. Okay, it is said that this art form is originated in the 11th century itself. And in India, Srinagar of Kashmir and Tonk region in Rajasthan are the two major Namda making centers in India. Okay, make a note of this. If you come to the question, it is made from the wool through felting rather than weaving. This statement is true. The craft is made only in Kashmir region in India. This statement is false. It's also made in the Tonk region of Rajasthan. And only one is correct. The answer is A. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Swadesh project that is recently seen in news? This is taken from the PIP. In India, the National Brain Research Center of Department of Biotechnology has developed the project Swadesh. It is okay. It will provide the neuroimaging, neurochemical, neuropsychological data and analytics to the researchers for managing the brain disorders. It is just a database, okay? And it is the world's first multimodal brain imaging data and analytics. It has a major significance that it is the first of its kind in the world itself, not in the country. It is developed under the Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay. If you come to the question, it's developed by DBT, Department of Biotechnology, National Brain Research Center. This statement is true. It's the first large-scale multimodal neuroimaging database. This statement is also true. It is developed under the Ministry of Science and Technology. This is also true. All the three are correct, and the answer is C. Okay, and that's for today. Thank you. Please like and share and subscribe the channel. Okay.